As we get comfortably seated in any comfortable cross-legged or Padmasan or Sukhasan, seated posture, or if you have knee troubles, straight legs, upright posture, shoulders tucked back, back of the head in line with the spine, eyes gently closed. From the sounds in the distances, we taper our awareness to the inner silence, Antar Maun. Now we inhale and inflate our abdomen like a balloon and exhale, bring it back to normal. सुखासन में बैठे रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखे, कंधे पीछे, आंखें बंद. हल्का सा साउंड मेडिटेशन करते हुए दूर के नज़दीक के जो भी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रहे हैं उसे सुने और फिर अंतर मौन में आ जाए, इनर साइलेंस. अब्डोमिनल ब्रीदिंग शुरू करें. सांस लेते हुए डायफ्राम से लेके पेट तक फुलाए. सांस छोड़ते हुए वापस नॉर्मल करें. Abdominal breathing reverses fears, improves gut health. During negative emotions, fears, the entire gut gets tightened and tense. Mornings are the best time to do abdominal breathing to reverse innumerable health problems related to the gut. Regular practitioners can also do Ujjayi along with abdominal breathing so that you can combine two pranayams. Take in as much air as you can. Air is free. Hold the inhalation. Exhale also in Ujjayi, the throat breath, as you rub exhaled air from the throat pit soundfully. Don't miss out on this opportunity to heal, to recover. Believe in the incredible benefits of breathwork. Believe in the incredible capacity of your organs to inflate phenomenally well. Believe in breathwork. I have a community and a tribe that believes in me and my formulas more than I believe in myself. Go for it. Dream with an ambition of healing completely and live with the conviction that you will. Mind and body. Dream with an ambition that you will heal. Live with conviction that you will. Abdominal breathing. Now, after every abdominal inhalation, exhale in Kapalbhati. Inhale, inflate the abdomen like a balloon. Exhale in Kapalbhati. Reverse acidity, gas, flatulence, indigestion, constipation, motapa, and keep improving gut health. When the gut improves, the mind improves. Continue. Do the inhalation dil se. Abdomen से लेकिन दिल से. Discontinue abdominal breathing and now only do Kapalbhatis, convert them into alternate nostril. Right hand in Nasagraha Mudra or Vishnu Mudra, both having their own benefits. Alternate nostril Kapalbhati. Continue. Make sure with every exhalation you're pulling your abdomen in. To this add Bhastrika. One exhale, exhale, one inhale, exhale, and then from other nostril, inhale, exhale. Now comes the best part. You have to notice the difference between the Kapalbhatis, which are abdomen centric, and the Bhastrikas, which are lung centric. Because you want to heal and recover everywhere, in the abdomen as well as in the lungs. Discontinue the practice. Continue keeping eyes closed. Bring your hand down. What we have already done improves respiratory efficiency. It enhances our abdominal capacity and our lung capacity. It reduces stress. It promotes relaxation. It increases focus. It brings clarity. It calms the mind. It improves concentration. It balances our emotions and helps us manage anxiety and emotional stress effectively. We now inhale and inflate our abdomen like a balloon, pushing our pelvic platform down on our yoga mat. And we exhale in an Om chant. Repeat this 4 more times. जब सांस लेते हो तब अपने फेफड़ों को, अपने पेट को पूरा फुलाएं, फुल करें. Two more rounds on your own. On finishing, watch the breath. Watching the breath, the technique is called Swara Yoga. Don't change it, don't do any breath work of pranayam. Consciously take awareness of cool air going up the nostrils and warm air coming down, the temperatures and the distances traveled. Now slowly open your eyes and continue doing the same, which is called Unmani, which means although your eyes are open, you're staring mindlessly in front of you without judging. This is called Unmani. Unmani is done to balance our emotions. It is only the mind that can mess up our health. And it is only the mind that can bring it back to complete recovery. Eyes are major doorways to all emotions of liking, disliking, pratikshan, every moment. Either there is an attachment or there is an aversion. Either we like or we dislike. Immediately there are emotions. These can be dangerous once we build the sanskars. So we are learning how to stare mindlessly with open eyes, without judging if something is clean or dirty or beautiful or ugly or needs cleaning or repair. Continuing staying with open eyes, staring mindlessly. We inhale fully and take our awareness from our throat pit to our navel, hearing the sound so. We don't have to say it, we only have to hear it. Exhaling, we hear the sound hum. We bring the awareness up from the navel to the throat pit when we exhale. सांस लेते वक्त गले से नाभि तक, सांस छोड़ते वक्त नाभि से गले तक ध्यान दे. सांस लेते वक्त सो का साउंड सुने, सांस छोड़ते वक्त हम का साउंड सुने. सो हम, 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 सो हम. Inhale, exhale, so hum, 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 so hum. Now do this in a twist. Continue keeping eyes open in Unmani. Twist completely. Turn your head. Twist and look at your laptop, iPad, phone, whatever is open. Stare in Unmani. So hum, 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 so hum. Discontinue the practice, continue staring mindlessly in Unmani, change sides, twist. Continue keeping eyes open, twist your head again, turn in Unmani. So hum, 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 so hum. Come back to the center, continue staring mindlessly in Unmani. Although eyes are open, dwell within. Dwell within. Don't do anything else except what I am saying. Come back to the center, dwell within. Watch yourselves. Directly look up cockeyed now. Palms on your knees. Start panting dog. This is called Swan Pranayam. Swan means dog. To increase lung capacity, improve our respiratory efficiency. Discontinue the practice and roar like lionesses. Inhale fully. Exhale. This is called Sihi Garjana. We now do what is called Savitri Pranayam. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty lungs 2. We are going to do this with our thumbs in the armpits to open up any blocked nostril. Nostrils should be open always, both nostrils. Pressing the thumbs into the center of the armpits will open up your nostrils. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty lungs 2. Continue on your own. Continuing to press the thumbs in the armpits, we do what is called Khanda Pranayam now, in which we divide our inhalations and exhalations into 30, 70. Inhale 30%, inhale 70%, exhale 30%, exhale 70%. Lift your arms now on the inhalation, drop them on the exhalation, press thumb into the bagal armpit again. Continue. Take your arms, elbows all the way up. Discontinue the practice. Bring your hands down to watch your breath. Now close your eyes. Stay very steady.